Problem: uncertainty about the future. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. It's natural to feel uncertain about the future, but we can take comfort in knowing that God has a plan for each of our lives. Let's trust in God's sovereignty and guidance, and seek His will for our lives through prayer and seeking wise counsel. Let's pray. Dear God, please guide us as we seek your will for our lives. Give us the courage and wisdom to make decisions that align with your plan, and help us to trust in your provision for our future.